Hi my dear children, in this video we are going to see class 1 SOF-IGKO 2023 set A question paper. Okay, so first section is general awareness. So first one, which of the following organ is found in the chest? A brain, B heart, C eye, D tongue. So heart is an organ which is found in the chest. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Second one, you go to a dash shop to buy pencil, eraser, papers, etc. A pet, B chemist, C stationery, D bakery. So we will go to a stationery shop to buy pencil, erasers, paper, etc. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Third one, which of the following food item protect us from disease? A pizza, B burger, C chocolate, D fruits and vegetables. So fruits and vegetables are protective food which protect us from disease. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D, fruits and vegetables. Fourth one, which of the following is easily breakable? A leather belt, no. B plastic mug, no. C rubber tire, no. D a glass vase. Okay, so yes. So which of the following is easily breakable? D a glass vase. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Fifth one, identify the vegetable shown in the given picture and select the correct option. A cauliflower, no. B cabbage, no. C cucumber, no. D brinjal, yes. Okay, so option D is the correct answer, brinjal. Sixth one, which of the following monument is not situated in Delhi? Okay, so A India Gate, it is located in Delhi. B Red Fort, it is also located in Delhi. C Lotus Temple, it is also in Delhi. D Golden Temple, it is in Amritsar, Punjab. Okay, so which of the following monument is not situated in Delhi? That is Golden Temple. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Seventh one, which of the following animals does not give us milk? Does not give us milk. A cow, it will give milk. Buffalo, it also gives milk. Goat, it also gives milk. Crocodile, it is a reptile. It will lay egg and it does not give us milk. Okay, so which of the following animals does not give us milk? That is crocodile. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Eighth one, which of the following animals roar? Okay, so we know roar means the sound of lion is roar. Okay, so the sound of horse is neigh, and then sound of frog is croak, and then sound of rabbit is quack. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Okay, B. Ninth one, Vande Mataram is the dash. Option A national anthem of India, no. B national emblem of India, no. C national song of India, yes. D national slogan of India, no. So Vande Mataram is the national song of India. So option C is the correct answer. 10th one, how many colors are there in a rainbow? So rainbow has 7 colors. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. 11th one, which of the following animals lives on land? Okay, land means terrestrial animal. So option A, it is an aquatic animal. B fish, it is also an aquatic animal. Starfish, it is also aquatic animal. Kangaroo, it is a terrestrial animal that is lives on land. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. 12th one, dash produces its own light. Okay, own light. So A earth, B Jupiter, C moon, D sun. So we know sun produces its own light. So option D is the correct answer. 13th one, which of the following devices is used to give input to the computer? Okay, input to the computer. So mouse, it is an input device, and then B is a keyboard, it is also input device. And then C is speaker, it is output device. Okay, so both A and B is used to give input to the computer. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. Next, 14th one. The sportsman shown in the picture is a famous A cricketer, B footballer, C badminton player, D tennis player. So actually he is a Cristiano Ronaldo. He is a famous Portuguese footballer. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. 15th one. A group of fish is called dash. So a group of fish is called shoal. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. 16th one. Which of the following is not a continent? Okay, which of the following is not a continent? A Asia, it is a continent. B Australia, it is also continent. Russia, it is not a continent, it is a country, but it's spread across two continents, that is Europe and Asia. Europe, it is also continent. So which of the following is not a continent? That is Russia. Okay, option C. 17th one. Which of the largest island in the world? So the largest island in the world is Greenland. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Nauru, it is a small island country in Micronesia, and Sumatra, it is a large island in Indonesia but not largest in the world. Okay, next to Monaco, it is a small city in Western Europe, it is not island. So the largest island in the world is Greenland, option A. 18th. In the famous fairy tale, Dash found the house of 3 bears in the forest. So in the famous fairy tale Goldilocks, okay, so option A. Found the house of 3 bears in the forest. So option A is the correct answer. Next, 19th one. Which of the following is the Olympic flag? So option A, it is the Olympic flag. It has 5 rings. So 5 ring represents 5 inhabited continents of the world, that is Africa, America, Asia, Europe and Australia, linked together in friendship. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next one, 4 group of dash butterflies each can be formed from the given butterflies. So 4 group, that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 4 groups of 3 butterflies each can be formed from the given butterflies. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. 21. Who is the current president of India? So we know current president of India is Draupadi Murmu. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Next one, India celebrated its 74th dash on 26th January 2023. So we know we will celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Next one, 23. Which Indian currency note is lavender in color? So 100 rupees note is lavender in color. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. 24th. Who is the current president of Russia? So the current president of Russia is option A, Vladimir Putin. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next one. Identify the sportsman shown in the given picture. He is a famous cricket player, Rohit Sharma. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Next section is life skills. 26. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. Pedestrians should cross the road at the zebra crossing. It is the correct statement. B. Always walk on the footpath. It is also correct statement. Play on the road. It is the incorrect statement because we should not play on the road. D. Do not lean out of a moving bus. It is also correct statement. So we need to find the incorrect statement. Okay, incorrect statement, that is play on the road. So option C is the correct answer. Next, 27. When you want to politely ask for something, you should say A. Sorry. B. Thank you. C. Welcome. D. Please. So when you want to politely ask for something, you should say please. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. 28. Which of the following will help you in saving water? Okay. Saving water. A. Taking long shower. No. B. Leaving the tap on while brushing your teeth. It is also incorrect statement. C. Using hose pipe to water the plants in your garden. We should use bucket to water plants in our garden. D. Fix the leaking taps and water pipe. Yes. So which of the following will help you in saving water? That is fixing the leaking taps and water pipe. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. Next one. While having dinner with family, you should A. Chew the food quietly. Yes. B. Not put your elbows on the table. Yes, good manner. C. Ask for the bowl to be passed if you want something from across the table. Yes. So while having dinner with family, you should chew the food quietly, not put your elbows on the table, ask for the bowls to be passed if you want something from across the table. So answer is all of these. Okay, all of these. Next one. What is the first thing you do when guests come to your home? A. Greet them with a smile, shout at them, play with them, offer them snacks. So first thing you do when guests come to your home is greet them with a smile, then we can play with them and offer them snacks. But the first thing is greet them with a smile. So option A is the correct answer. 31. Unscramble the given letters to find the name of the flower shown in the given picture. So the given flower is daisy. Okay. So option A on unscrambling it is lotus, and then B is tulip, and then C is daisy, and then D is jasmine. Okay. So option C, daisy is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Next one. At which of the following places of worship do the Muslim people pray? Okay, do the Muslim people pray? So Muslim people pray in mosque. Okay, so option A, it is a picture of Jummah Masjid. It is a mosque. So option A is the correct answer. Next one. Match the columns and select the correct option. So B. Charminar, it is in Hyderabad, and then Golden Temple, it is in Amritsar, Punjab, and then Hawa Mahal, it is in Jaipur. Okay. So P3 and then Q1 or 2. Okay. So P3 and then Q1. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Option B. Next one. Study the given abacuses carefully and select the incorrect option. Okay. We need to select the incorrect option. So P is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 and then this is 3. So it shows 53, and then Q 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So abacus Q shows 47. So option A, the number name of the number shown on abacus P is 53. It is the correct statement. And then B, the number shown on abacus Q is more than the number shown on abacus P. It is the incorrect statement because 53 is greater than 47. See, the expanded form of the number shown on abacus Q is 40 plus 7. It is the correct statement. D, none of these. Okay, so we need to select the incorrect option. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Next, last one. Identify the picture for the given jumbled word. So on unscrambling we get speaker. It is an output device. Okay. So A, monitor, B, speaker, C, printer, and then D, mouse. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Thank you my dear children for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Please check our playlist for more videos. If you have any doubt, please mail me at easylandfunnyland@gmail.com. Thank you.